welcome to my channel. Today I have Y20 SmartWatch. So today I'm gonna be unboxing this Y20 SmartWatch and show you guys all the features and also how to connect it to the DaFit application, which is the app that you can be able to use to run this smartwatch. So this smartwatch can work on Android phone. It can also work on iPhone, which is iOS. So first you can see it comes with a charger. So with this charger you can be able to use it to charge the smartwatch, and here is the quick guide and the full manual of the smartwatch. So apart from this, these are the three major things that is in the box of this smartwatch. So you can see that the watch comes with this nice portable beautiful charger. This smartwatch has 1.69 inches screen, which is the TFT, and it has a very nice beautiful stripe that I like, which is very strong. And right now I have to show you guys how to charge this smartwatch. I prefer the black color of this smartwatch because it looks very mature and beautiful, and it can match any of the clothes that you wear. So it has about 190 mega amp, which will carry you for up to 4 days of using it, and the charger is very strong. You can easily be able to turn around the watch and the charger is still there. It's very magnetic and strong. So as you can see, you can show you time while charging and other information that you need. So you can see how beautiful the screen looks. So the smartwatch also has many wallpaper that you can select from, and by scrolling up you can be able to see the features of the smartwatch, which is the sleep mode, the exercise, the blood pressure, and so many other things, the sport. And when you scroll down you can be able to reduce the screen brightness and be able to off the vibration, go to the settings and some other things that you can be able to do. And by scrolling left you can be able to get to the menu, see the music. You can see how beautiful and nice the menu looks. You can check your blood pressure by tapping on the blood pressure icon. Let me show you guys how to connect the smartwatch to your phone now. To set up your DaFit application, first you have to go to Google Play Store or to Apple Store and search for DaFit. So here's the app. You have to click on this icon to download it. So I've already got it downloaded, so I have to open it. First is to set input some of these details. You can choose your gender, male or female. So I have to choose male. You have to choose your date of birth, so you can easily set up your date of birth if you like. It's not necessary. You can put your height and your weight and then click here and submit. So click on allow, and here is the main menu. So if you come right here, you will see that your smartwatch haven't linked, you haven't connected. So first thing to do is to tap here to add. So to add your blanket, you have to tap on it, enable your location, click on allow, and allow your Bluetooth to be on. Then you have to search. The app will start searching for your smartwatch, so you tap on it again, enable location, so go back. So you can see that it find my Y20, so I have to tap on it to connect. Tap on it and it have connected. So if you come right down here, you tap here, you will see that my Y20 is connected, and from here you can see some details about on the watch, like the percentage of the battery and from here you can set the watch face, which is the wallpaper. And from here, when you go back from here, you can set the notifications. So like you can enable call reminder, tap on it, allow to enable the call reminder, and tap here to enable the SMS. And you can also tap on here to enable other things that you want to enable, so that you'll be receiving the notification on your watch. So I can enable the important things like WhatsApp. So for you to enable this, you have to come down here and give the application, the DaFit application, the permission to run your WhatsApp. So you have to go back. So right now the WhatsApp is enabled. So with this, now you can be able to receive notification to your smartwatch, to your Y20 SmartWatch. So from here, when you tap on this order, you can be able to set other stuff like the languages of the language. You can select language from here, and from here you can change the time format. If you want it to be like from here, if you want it to be 24 hours or 12 hours time, you can change it from here. So you can change the unit from here, and you can also enable the do not disturb mode right from here. You can enable all the it and save the time that you want it to stop. Down here you can reset the smartwatch, and from here is the auto lock. So from this auto lock, you can be able to set how many seconds you want your phone, like to the screen bright, like the awake screen to be. Understand? You can set it right from here. I think the maximum is 20 seconds, so you can set it 20 seconds. Click done, and from here you can set other things like the heart rate warning and other stuff, and drink water reminder. You can also set it right from here. So these are some of the things that you need to know about this DaFit application and connecting it to your Y20 smartwatch. And from here you can be able to upgrade the app if necessary, and from here you can set an alarm, so when the time reach, you can be able to receive notification on the smartwatch. So from here you can also be able to set up your profile. When you tap here, then you go to your profile. You can set up your profile. And this is it for today. Like this video if you find it informative and helpful, and try and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.